Hey guys, it's Bella with Bellessentials, and I'm back for another unboxing video. And today I will be opening a package from Simply Ash Shop. And if you have not seen my last video, pretty much Kenny from Royal Appleberry, she makes a lot of bath products. Well, it was her birthday month, so she decided to challenge people if they would donate or trade their products. So I commented and replied on somebody else's comment, and we decided to trade our products. And I'm doing this with two different people. If you have not seen my last video, please go check it out. I opened Noelle from Makes Sense. I opened her package. Well, today I will be opening Simply Ash Shop. And I'm so excited, so let's get into it. So I've not opened this yet. Just kind of like open this just a little bit so it'll be a little bit easier to open up. So yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Some peanuts in here. ASMR. Okay, going. We got a ton of these little peanuts. And then she has a little business card. It says Simply Ash Shop on it. And it has a little note. I want to show them. It has a little note on the back and it says, "Hope you enjoy. Love, Ashley." Keep on going. So there is a bath bomb in here, and it is called Ocean Waves, and it's scented with what has pink Himalayan salt in there, and it's scented with turquoise. Oh, okay. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells so good. Want to smell it? I couldn't figure out what the scent is. Good.
It smells like 8th and Ocean.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
exactly what it smells
really,
like. It's called Ocean Waves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I think it's 8th and Ocean.
Yeah.
And it has the Himalayan salt on the top.
Yeah, it has some Himalayan salt on the top. And yeah, I think that's just
the
super
lighting is kind of bad in here, so it's hard to see the actual color.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah. It's kind of like a minty teal color. So next we have a soap. And it is called Gummy Yummy Bear. And, yeah. Ooh. It smells really familiar.
Like gummy bears?
Well, kind of. I think it smells a little bit like this because this was in there with this. So it smells like that. But I'll have to open it and see what it smells like. But it has these cute little gummy bears on the top. And it has a little gummy bear back here too. But yeah, I think that's super cute. It has like a tiger stripe, I think.
Gummy Yummy Bear.
I'll show them the top. It is so cute.
Look at the little teddy bear.
Maybe smell it. It smells a little bit like this one just because it was in there. Can you grab like a little bit of scissors so we can kind of smell it? It smells like. Thank you. So I'm just gonna give it a tiny little snip. There we go. Now we can kind of smell it in there. Gotta be very, definitely gotta, this is really nice shrink wrap because you really don't want the scent to get out of there, so that's really nice. So, wait, yeah, cut it a little bit more. Okay. It's clear, so it's hard to see. Oh my god, the gummy bear is so cute. Ooh. Ooh. Can't really tell. Okay, there we go. Ooh. It does smell familiar though. Want to smell it? It smells kind of like fruit. I haven't really had a gummy bear in a while, so I don't really know what gummy bears smell like.
I don't know. It smells like sherbet. You know what? I think we watched. I think this is the video that we watched on YouTube. I think we saw her make this on YouTube with the gummy bear one.
These kind of remind me of like cheese puffs.
Oh, it smells amazing.
I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR. Okay, ready? Listen.
I don't think we have a good enough speaker.
It's okay. You can probably hear it. Do all of them at once. Okay. And yeah. I think her shop is just so cute. I love the colors of the soap. Like, it's just so adorable, and I love the vibe that it gives you. It's like super, like, it gives you a summer vibe. Like, I just love how cute this little bath bomb is and everything. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed in this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in a comment down below what you think of Simply Ash Shop, and if you think her soaps are super cute and her bath bombs.
And subscribe to her channel too.
Yeah, I'll put her channel in the description box down below so you can subscribe and watch her videos. So yeah, and I thought I had a YouTube, but yeah, it says that she has her YouTube, and they are handcrafted artisan soaps, and they have Instagram and Facebook, and they have lots of other bath goodies. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you think of these soaps. And yeah, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on so you'll know what my next video is. Tomorrow I'm going to post a video about a candy freak shake. That's a little, a candy freak shake. That's a little sneak peek for you. So yeah, please stay tuned so you can see that soap. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!